All right, today I'll be talking about Wireshark and network analysis. And this should be a pretty quick class. I don't think it should take that long. Yeah. All right. Okay, so what is Wireshark? So Wireshark captures data packets from the network and displays them for the user to see and inspect. So packets are like, it can see like what you search for, all of that cool stuff. So it captures all protocols like HTTP, SMB, FTP, DNS, all that stuff. And it can capture in real time. So if you're connecting to whatever the thing is, you can connect. You can see what the other person's doing or what the computer's doing. It can capture a file for later inspection. It's often used for forensic purposes and like CTFs. So you can find like malicious connection and capture network, or maybe it's asking you for like details on what the person's running, right? It can debug network applications in detail and inspect files and do analysis on transferred files. All right. So this is how you install it. Here, let me send the link in chat. So you can install it through here. If you have Windows, install it like this. There's probably a Mac version too. Yeah, just run the installer and all that. And then for Linux, just run these commands right here. So let's see, let me pull up Linux image. That's wrong spot. Just use this. All right. So basically just run these commands right here. So this is just installing it. These are just installing it. And then for Kali, it's already pre-installed. So I don't know if I can do a demo or not, but if I search here, Wireshark, and it should show up right here. But if you don't have it, you just go to a terminal and install it. Come on, bro. Okay. All right, there we go. This is what Wireshark kind of looks like. And then I'll do like a few demos later. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to install it and just get a terminal open, just use ram terminal, and then run these commands. So we run this. Oh, I don't even have that package installed yet, but yeah, you just install this package and then use that package to install it. All right. But really, honestly, this command's not that useful. You can just use this. And then, yeah, just install it like this. But I already have it installed. Okay. All right, so how do you start like sniffing around, right, for packets? So you select the interface you want to listen to. So you can do like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click the shark fin in the top left to start sniffing. If you want to analyze a PCAP file, which is a file containing a bunch of packets, then drop that in. So if you want to start looking for stuff, just click the shark icon right here. Right. So now it's capturing stuff from my VMware. Can you see that? So it's getting some ARP files. You can see it communicating. But right now it's not very interesting, right? Okay. Okay, so this is how you analyze a file. So you can look for keywords in the CTF question and then find a packet that matches, right? So if it's asking you for like an HTML file, then you should probably filter here and then look for files that are HTMLs. And then just literally click on the packet, look through and expand out stuff and find the things. So like, okay, now it's getting a bit more interesting. Yeah, okay. So if we have like this file right here, right? We click on it and then we can like look through the stuff. So there's like information, like interface ID, capture length, time, some cool stuff. We can look through here, see it's version 4. You can do, this is TTL. Sometimes they'll test you on that, yeah. Okay, let me stop this before my computer dies. Cool. Okay, so if you're watching carefully, there was a lot of colors right over here. Like I did a bunch of packets and there's a ton of colors. There's like black, yellow, or greenish, red, and blue. So green is equal to TCP. So let's see if there's an example, right? Green, protocol TCP. Blue is UDP. Okay, normally it's UDP, but there's sometimes like some other packets that can also be the same color. What GPU do I have? It's I don't know, but it's pretty good, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why my computer just completely dies when I run Linux. Like running Windows, like a Windows VM is completely fine. And then black means there's some error. So let's see, I think pretty sure, yeah, okay. So there's some error over here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I am charging though. Okay, so here's a ton of filters. You can filter by IP address. Like for example, let's say, I don't know, let's use this IP address right here, right? Let's do this thing right here. So we can just filter IP address. Wait, that's not the right thing. IP dot address. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, IP dot address, and then we do whatever we want. So 192.168.60.157. Wait. Oh, he set it to equal, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there you go. So if you filter by that, I typed it wrong. Hold on, it's still loading. But it should display you the IP address. Hold on. So slow. Okay. And then you can also do filter by protocol. So if you want TCP, you just do TCP, and then it's gonna load. Okay, there we go. So these are a bunch of TCPs, right? If we want HTTP. Is my mic broken? Oh, okay. Really? All right. Okay. All right. And then you can filter to protocols. So you can't filter it by just typing DNS and HTTP, right? Can't do that. I type the or statement. So if we want HTTP or TCP, that should work. Yeah, okay, so now we have HTTP and TCP, right? So there's no other stuff. Cool. And then you can do a port number too. So you can do like TCP, yeah, port 443. I'm not sure if there's that port here. I don't think so, no. But you can just filter by port. Pretty sure the port's like Lenovo. Okay. There's some other stuff. I'm not gonna go over all of it, but right here, show a packet of errors. You probably don't need these. And then there's some like response code. These are just some random stuff I got. Not all of it's relevant. But if you want everything, it's like they have this website over here that contains a whole lot of stuff. Okay, here's a pretty cool thing. You can follow a packet, so you can actually see what it's doing. So you can do this by following TCP or UDP stream. So I have TCP right here. I right click, and then I can go to follow TCP stream. And then it's gonna load. Okay. So you can see like whatever the thing is doing. So it's sending a PGP signed message, a bunch of info, and I'm trying to scroll, but lagging. Oh, it's a gaming Lenovo. It's just bad, yeah. And also, probably kind of destroys your computer, honestly. Okay, screw this. I'll show you a demo of TCP later. Right now, it's like too much information. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's do this demo right here. So this is actually a Pico CTF problem. Okay. So can you find the flag? And then it gives you this keycap file. All right. Let's download that. Yes. Okay, so let's copy this. Then let's just put it onto the desktop. All right. And then all you need to do to analyze this is to drag it like that. And I don't want to save this. Okay. All right, so this is, okay, let's remove the filter. This is the packet right now that we're trying to find. Okay, so we're trying to find a flag here. So Connecticut, maybe. Well, why do you think that though? Okay, so we don't get any other extra information. I know that's such a random guess. I agree. So there's a lot of packets, right? We can maybe search for flag. I don't think that normally doesn't really work. What does it say? That doesn't really give any hint either. But honestly, what I like to do is analyze looking at stream, the TCP stream and UDP stream. So let's just do that. So let's just follow this. Okay. So does this look right to you guys? I don't think so, right? I don't think there's gonna be a flag in here. Like we can maybe search for it. Pico CTF. Yeah. Oh, that doesn't look right. The cool thing about TCP streams is there's multiple streams. So there's like, think of it like packets, multiple packets. This is stream 1, and if we go to stream 2, okay, so there's 17 in total. Stream 2, flow. Okay, obviously the flag's not there either, right? Okay, let's do the stream 3. Okay, looks a bit better, but still no flag, right? Stream 4. Okay, so we're back here again. Doesn't look like there's anything. I mean, how's this? Oh, bro, there's still people coming in. Okay. Whatever. All right, then stream 5. All right. But as you can see down here, what's this? This looks like a flag format, right? It's not a random stuff. You know, all these are actually legit. So this is like a legit stream. It's not like messed up stuff. So we can copy this. And then now we're back to cryptography, right? So let's go to Rumkin. And then I hate how Rum can change their user interface. The old one was a lot better. Normally I'd try. I know, right? What is this interface? Remember when I taught week 1? It was cryptography. It didn't change at that time. So I don't know what they're doing. What is this? What? Now I can do Spanish? Okay, whatever. Oh, okay. So it was Route 13. So the flag is Pico CTF, Peekaboo, I see you, deadbeat. Cool. Like cryptography, do you? Okay. So that's one example. And I actually only have 2 examples because it's kind of hard to find Wireshark problems, honestly. So the second problem's a bit bigger though. Let's try this. All right. Let's download this. Yes. Okay. Copy that. California? Also random guess. Oh, okay. Nah, don't worry. I've actually made one of these, so. Okay, I apparently already have this. Okay, it's right here. I played with this a long time ago in the actual competition, and I'm just bringing it back to show you guys. So just drag this in, and let's remove the filter. Okay, so this one has a lot less packets, right? There's what, 9? Yeah. All right, and let's see what the question wants. So there's actually multiple parts to this one. First part says, what was the type of DNS query requested? Okay, so right, the first step to solving these, I have it somewhere. Oh, whatever. The first step is to like look at the question carefully and see if there's anything specific, right? So in this one, it says DNS. Okay. So DNS, there's only a few DNS packets here, right? It's 4 and 5. So let's just click on one. All right. Okay. All right, and then we get with this, we have all this information right here. It's asking for what type of DNS query. Well, when you look through this, what looks like DNS query? So ignore all this for now. Would it be frame 4? No. Would it be Ethernet 2? No. IP version 4? No. Transmission control protocol? Probably not. Main name system query, right? DNS query. We'd probably want to look through here. All right. And then let's see. What was the type of DNS query? Expand out. Oh, queries right here. You could probably open that, right? And then type XFR. That's the answer for that one. Okay. So for the last one, it was more of finding the flag. This one, it's more of like finding information in the packet. So you can see both are common. Okay, second question, what domain was requested? All right. Domain. etaas.com. That's literally it, I'm pretty sure. So that's domain. How many items were in the response? Okay. Let's see. No, I don't think that's the answer. Hold up. Unless I live in Hawaii, maybe. Okay, let me think. Response would probably be in here. Oh, wait, no. Click the wrong thing, right? Response. Look at this DNS. It's a standard query response, right? So we'd probably want to look here. We're guessing how many items were in a response. But the information isn't really helpful. Sometimes like there's some information, but only we'd want to look through here. Oh, and right here, right? Request in 4. So that's the response pretty much. Right. So these are the 4 responses. So it's sending 3 to etsa.com and 1 to welcome.etas.com. Good. Okay. Sure. Why do you think that though? Okay, and then what is TTL for all the records? I actually think I discussed this in some other example. TTL for all the records, okay. Right? As you can see here, TTL stands for time to live. Yo. It's kind of big brain though. Okay. Okay. No, but what if I'm doing online school? Remember, I'm in high school, bro. Palomar's a community college. Anyways. Oh. No. I'm in a high school, bro. Yeah, it would be kind of sad if I end up in the community college. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's how it is. Oh. Okay, so time to live, right? Time to live would be 3,600 in this case, and it should be the same for all of them. So 3,600 right here. Cool. Where did you guys? Oh, wow! You guys are looking at my bookmarks now. Okay. Okay. The last one. What is the IP address for the welcome subdomain? All right. IP address for the welcome subdomain. No, I'm not a ninth grader. I'm pretty old. I'm not gonna lie. You guys have you pushed ninth grade? Seriously? It's okay. I'm not gonna expose my age. Actually, I might even have it in my description for this organization. Honestly, I don't even remember. But that's pretty cool. Anyways, so welcome, right? What's the IP address for the welcome subdomain? Well, the domains are all over here, and then welcome this subdomain, and let's just look for the IP address, and that's 1.1.1.1. So that's the answer for that one. That's pretty much it. Today was a pretty short class because I couldn't find that much information. But I hope you guys learned a lot. Thanks for coming, guys. And next week, I'll be talking about reverse engineering, which is a really confusing topic. Then I'll also be summarizing a bunch of Python stuff because you need that. So if you really want like a summarize of a bunch of Python concepts, like pretty basic stuff, I'll be teaching that in the beginning. Thanks for coming, guys. Wow. Okay. Thank you. See you guys next week.